Professor Liu is going to teach you the Tic Tac Toe Game from part 2. From part 2, both user can place the mark on the board. User can play the game repeatedly, but until the game board is full. At the part 2, we did not check any of the winning condition. So part 3, we're going to continue, and we are going to play until a user win the game. All right. So this is the part 2 game. At the part 2 game, right here, your user, the part 2, we initialize the board, print the board, and we check the board is full or not. All right, so this is our CPP program, and this is our play game. All right, so let me show you this game right now. Okay, so let's build it. So right now, we are able to play this game. The first row and the second column. All right, and maybe second row and maybe the third column. All right, so we can continue play this game, but we did not check who is the winner. So now we're going to be able to check the winner right now. So in order to check the winner, let's see what we're supposed to do. In order to check the winner, let's first created a function, and this function will check 3 characters. Okay, so character 1, character 2, and character 3. When we check these 3 characters, and we want to, number 1, we need to check whether this is an empty cell. So as long as this is not an empty cell, because it's an empty cell, we have a dash character. So if as long as not a dash, so that's as long as not a dash, so you already place a mark right there. Then the first equal to second, and second equal to third. So we are going to do this one. So once what we're going to do is we are going to have this one first. Then we are going to use every row, apply this function, and column, apply this function. And also we're going to use the diagonal, every diagonal for this function. Okay, so let's do it right now. All right, so here we are going to do these, and for this we're going to call check row and column. Okay, so that's right here. Okay, let me move these a little bit. All right, so right here, I am coming right here. I'm going to say this. Okay, I'm going to say check row and column, and return a boolean, and check row and column. And when we check the row and column, we are going to check 3 characters. So C1 character, C2 character, C3. All right, so we are going to check this one. So after we do this, and that's promoted. All right, so let's write this program right now. All right, so for this program, as long as they are not an empty cell, all right, so we are going to do this. We are going to say, all right, so first we're going to write this. Okay, we're going to return, right? But return what? So I'm going to write like this way. Okay, so C1, okay, first is not equal to dash. All right, that's one condition. And let me put quotation around it right now. Okay, then that's one of the thing we need. And so we're going to continue to do this and I'm going to say this C1, okay, then equal C2. So C1 and C2 have the same character. That's one. Another one and is C2 equal C3. All right, so all the three conditions are equal right now. So I'm going to put these. So they will return 2. All right, so let me coming back right here right now. Sorry. So now we are going to write this one. So if we check the 3 columns, we check 3 of them, and if all 3, they are not blank, then they are equal, then we're going to return 2. Now we're going to check the row right now. So check the row here. Okay, so once we finish that, let's check for row. And for the row, actually I have 3 rows, right? So it's 0 to 3. Then I'm going to hard code it for every single column. So column 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to check every row, first column, second column, and third column. So these are 3 characters, right? So if these 3 characters return 2, so here return 2, then we return 2. Otherwise, we return false. All right, so we are going to write this check row for win first. Okay, so we're doing the same thing right here. Then we have a boolean and check, and this one we're going to say check rows for win. And when we check this right now, check rows for win right here, we are just going to we don't have because we're going to use the check row for row columns. Okay, so we are going to promote it. All right, so when we do the check row for column, and we do this. So we're going to do for loop. Okay, so for and tab. All right, there are 3 rows, right? So we are going to say check integer I equals 0, I less than 3. All right, and for this right now, and we are going to do this. Okay, we're going to hard code it. Okay, so we are going to check this if then we have this check row column. We're going to check if check row column right here, and inside here is we check our board. Okay, our board. Okay, the row is I. Okay, let's put I right here. I, and the first column is 0. Okay, so we check that guy, the first character, right? So let's copy these, and second character and third character. Control C, Control V, and Control V. Well, I need 3, right? Comma. All right, so now we're going to check the row column, the first character, the row, the first column, the second column, and the third column. Okay, so we're going to do like this. So if these are so if we check these 3 these characters, then if they are equal true. So when we do this is if they are equal true. All right, so now I check these. Oh, by the way, I also need these right here. So I check these, and if they are equal true, then I am going to return 2. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to return false. Otherwise, I'm going to return false. So when checkRow these 3 columns, and if they are 2, so we're doing the same thing for right now. So I am going to check the right now I'm going to check the column right now. So let's do this right now. Same thing here. So bool and check column for win. All right, and let's run it right now. So sorry. All right, here. All right, so we do the same thing for this one. We check column right now, right? So let's copy this right now. All right, so right now we are going to check the board, but we are going to check the column, right? So we still have 3 columns, but right now is the row stay the same, and column change. So we're going to hardcode our row, and make our column change. So right here, this one becomes 0 as I, and this one become 1, and that one is I. So the column is a variable, and the row is hard coded. Okay, 0 and 2, and variable is I. So we do the same thing here. All right, let me see. All right, I need to copy this line too. Okay. All right, so let's see here. So we're going to check column right now. When we check the column, and we are going to make our column become I, and our row is hard coded. That's the first row, all right, and second row and third row. Okay, so if this is true, and we send it true, and otherwise it's false. Now we're going to go, the last one is check diagonal. And when we check a diagonal, we are going to take a look. When we check the diagonal, so we actually check this one, okay, 0 0 1 1 2 2, or this one 0 2 1 1 2 0. So when we check a diagonal, again we have to hard code it. Okay, so let's do it right here. Okay, so let's still do bool and check diagonals for win. Okay, so we check diagonal for win, and we do the exactly the same thing. So we promote it. All right, so we're coming right here right now. All right, so for this one, we really need to hard code it. Okay, so we are going to do this right now. Okay, so we're going to do here. Okay, let me hard code it first and put into the return. Okay, so I'm going to return here. Okay, so first the thing is let me get some of these. Okay, uh, check this guy. Okay, get this one. Hold on. I am going to get this one right now. Okay, so I'm going to check these, and but it's 0 0 and 1 1 and 2 2. So that's one of our diagonal. That's one of the diagonal. All right. So I am going to say these. All right. So check these here. Okay. Then equal to. Okay. That's one condition right now. That's one condition. Okay. I'm going to get another one. Okay. I got another one here, and Control C. Then later I'll put them all together. Okay. Hold on. Control C. Control V. Now next one. Okay. Next one is 0 2. 0 2. That's still 1 1 and 2 0. That's another diagonal. Okay. Now, and what we're going to do is these two are or, either or. So we're going to pull like this way right here. Sorry, what am I doing right now? Either or. Okay. I'm going to do like this. Then and I'm going to say then either or, then return, right? So I'm going to put this thing here. Oh, this is an actual one, delete it. Okay, so I'm going to take this thing here and Control X and put right here. All right, so what we're going to do is we return is true as long as either one of the condition is true. Okay, so either one of the condition is true, then we are going to return true. So now we have, when tic-tac-toe game is actually check every row, every column, and every diagonal. So we are ready to check our last. The most important thing is this right now. So we're going to say this ball and check. All right, for win. All right, so check for win right now. So when we check the for win right here, when we check for win now, all right. So when we check for win, we only want to check either one of them. Either one of them. All right. So either check row for win. Either this one, Control C. All right. So I am going to pull like this. It's all right. So pull right here. So either this one, okay, or that one is true. Either one is true is fine. Control C. Or that one. All right. Then or that one. Or the diagonal. So either one of them. Okay. Either one of them is true. I'll return true. Okay. So now let's double check right now. All right. So let's double check. We have everything. So we initialize the board. We are able to print the board. We also can get current player mark. We also check is the board full or not. We also be able to change player. We also place a mark and at the X row and column position. Then we use this check row column. Then we be able to check the win. Now we are ready to write our main function right now. Okay, so we're coming back right here. Now here. Okay. So let's go to our game right here. So now that's our game right here. Okay. So at our part 2, we were able to do the mark, and we be able to do this. But what we're going to do is we continue play this. We continue play this when the board is full. When the board is full. So we are going to do this, right? While this board is full, now we have a new condition now. Now we have a new condition now. And the new condition is when there's no winner yet. Whenever there's a winner, whenever there's a no winner, I can play. Once I have winner, I'm stopped. So that's new condition, and you just put right here. And not this game, and has check for win. So as long as I don't have winner yet, as long as I don't have winner yet, I can continue play this game. All right. So now I'm out of this game. When I get out of this do-while loop, I'm either tie or I have a game. I have winner. So I have to say this. Okay. If my TTT, if my game, okay, and is board full, so that's a full, okay, and also not a winner, so not I don't have a winner, so it's full and I don't have a winner. All right, so this situation we have a tie. So we're going to say CL, the game is tie. All right. So if that's not tie, we have a winner. So we have to explain who is a winner. So we're going to say CL, and we kind of need to print our current right now. Print our current board layout. Okay. Let's print that layout out. Then, so we print with print board. After we print the board, then we right here we are going to first we change our player. Now we say CL, so we tell who win the game. All right, so let's play this game right now. Okay, so we're going to build it. All right, so I'm going to do 1 and 1, and I'm just make it the board the X win. Okay, so I'm going to say 2 and 1. All right, so I'm going to do 1 and 2. All right, so I'm going to do 3 and 2. All right, so I'm going to 1 and 3. All right, so X win. Okay, so obviously I need a space for that, so I'm going to have space. All right, so other than that, this program completed, and I hope you like this game.